Hi guys, on this one we've got a electric hob and oven to clean, as you can see here. Got a few burnt on stains, as you can see. Let's get a little close up here. Around the rings, it's the hob rings, a bit dirty, bit stubborn stains. And inside the oven here, just get a bit of light on it. You can see at the bottom here, there's loads of grease on the door here, on the inner door. And in the bottom there's all kinds of grease and melted plastic and all kinds. And just show you the grills there. Just take them out and show you. These are also stained. Been cleaned in a while, obviously. Just show you the bottom of the oven there. Right, we're going to be using this mighty oven cleaner. You get it from your pound shop or your dollar store. It comes with the cleaning solution. You can see there. And you get this big plastic bag to put your grills in. You pour the solution into the bag. You might want to buy a couple of these actually. And more importantly, you get a set of safety gloves, because this cleaning fluid can be harmful. First thing, safety. Isolate the oven and the hob by switching the power off. And then just got to give it a bit of a shake. I don't know how long it's been sitting on the shelf. And then make sure you've got your gloves on. And I'm just going to pour a bit around the hob, as you can see I'm doing here. And on the hob itself. And then I'm just going to paint it or wear the cleaning solution in. And that's the I've done the same to the oven. Poured some into the oven. When you're cleaning the hob, very important here, avoid the control knobs, as you can see here. Don't get any of the cleaning fluid near the control knobs. So now that I've left the hob to clean, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pop the grills inside of this of the supplied bag. Just going to pop them both inside. The other one there. And once that's done, what I'm going to do is pour some of the cleaning fluid into the bag and leave it to soak. It'll remove all the grease off the grills. Like I say, you probably want to buy a couple, being as they're only £1 or $1 each. And then what you want to do is just reseal the bag, but make sure you have your gloves on. Here you can see me just resealing the bag, and here you can see the cleaning fluids swashing around inside. You don't want to move this bag around too many times, otherwise it will start to leak. So it's just a matter of putting it on the floor out of the way, and where it's not going to be trod on, and just maybe you want to put it on a bit of cardboard or newspaper, because it will leak. And there you can see me just putting it down there. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just using a bit of Kleenex tissue to just to mop up the excess cleaning fluid. Make sure you wear your gloves. And now that that's done, I'm just going to use fairy liquid on a damp cloth to clean the hob, get rid of the excess fluid. And back to the oven. I've poured the cleaning solution inside, and all I've got to do now is mop it all up. You might have to do this a couple of times to get a good clean. So all I'm going to use is this tissue just to mop up the excess cleaning fluid, and make sure you wear your gloves when you're doing this. And once you've got it all mopped up, just same again, just a bit of fairy liquid and a cloth just to get it nice and clean and dry. And if I go back to the grills, it's on the floor here. As you can see underneath here, the bags have been leaking. So what I'm going to do is empty the contents of the bag and the sink onto a running tap. Once I've managed to get it open, and then you just see me pouring out the contents there. You can see all the grease that's came off the grills. And now that I've done that, all I've got to do now is rinse off the grills. And I'm just going to use a bit of Brillo just to get rid of the excess stains. It should come off easy. And that concludes. This is the finished item. Just give you a close up here. All the grease around the hob rings have gone. And I'll just show you down here in the oven. You can see the grills are nice and sparkling, and the bottom of the oven is nice and clean. I've had to repeat the process about 2 or 3 times to get it proper clean. And the oven door, as you can see there, nice and clear. And it's nice and clean inside there now. Nice and sparkling. And that pretty much concludes. Just give you a little before and after. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.